She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better look the
안녕하세요.
other way.
한번
You can try,
알아볼게요.
but you'll never
예시대화
forget
첫
her
번째
name.
누가 쓰냐
She's
마냐
on top of the world, hottest of the
누가
hottest
쓰냐
girls
마냐
there.
니께 사자 조금만 더 표현으로 니께 트리께 이런 것들이 있습니다. 니께이라고 트리켓을 줄일 수 있고요. 만약은 이렇게